Hey guys, Mr. Rickahoff here, and today we are going to take some notes on the nervous system. So if you would please make sure you've got your science notebook ready to roll, fresh, clean page, and get it set up. Nervous system in the middle, split it in four corners like we usually do for our note taking. First thing I want to do is tell you the parts of the nervous system. The nervous system, you've probably heard of nerves before, but probably in the sense of you're getting on my nerves. The nervous system has three main parts that you need to know. The first main part is your brain. And if at any point in this video I'm going too fast, just pause the video, you can rewind. So you've got the brain, and we learned about this next part when we were talking about the skeletal system. Your brain is connected to your spinal cord. And I know right now I'm just giving you some names. We're going to talk about what the nervous system does in just a second. So the main part is your brain. Brain connects to the spinal cord, and then your spinal cord splits off and connects to your nerves. And we're going to do some fantastic artwork here. I'm really just going to show off my art skills for you. We're going to draw a picture of this. So we're going to draw your brain. Which is kind of just this like blob, and here we go. We got your brain. And we'll label it. We'll put a 1. That's why the numbers are there. We'll put the 1 so you know, okay, that's a beautiful drawing of a brain, not like a rock or a piece of fuzz or something. That's your brain. And your brain connects to a big bundle of nerves, your spinal cord. Your spinal cord is a big bundle of nerves. And since it's a big bundle, we'll make it wider. And it connects right at the base of your brain. And then your spinal cord, it's a bundle of nerves, and it splits off into the different nerves that go throughout your body. So we'll draw a line going there, and then we'll branch it off to the side. Then we'll just kind of keep branching for a minute. Your nerves travel all throughout your body. Draw a piece here, branch it off a couple of ways. Piece going here, branch it off in a few different directions. And of course, some of your nerves Okay, so number 1 is your brain. 2, your spinal cord, right here. And 3, your nerves that travel all throughout your body. Now, the purpose of your brain and your spinal cord and your nerves connecting, and your nerves go all the way out from your brain, all the way down to your toes, out to your fingertips. Everywhere in your body, you have nerves because your brain has to send information. So these nerves kind of act like wires that run through your body to send information or info. And since we're taking notes, I'm just going to put info. So your nervous system sends information, signals through the body. So that's why you've got all these, they look like wires running all from the spinal cord to connect out everywhere so that your brain can communicate. If you feel pain in your finger, your brain needs to say, ooh, that's hot. So you move your hand off the stove. That's your nervous system working. Those are those nerves sending information through the nerves to the spinal cord and up to the brain to communicate. So I'll draw like a little Wi-Fi signal here. I just am flexing my art skills today. Got a little Wi-Fi signal. I might have gone a little wide here. I've got I've got the ability to do this. Maybe I'm cheating a little. There we go. That looks better. Okay, and the point of, I'm going to tell you this, your brain, we've talked about voluntary and involuntary muscles. Well, those voluntary muscles, you think about it and then you move them. That's your brain controlling those. But also, your brain is controlling those involuntary muscles. You just don't really have to think about it. So your brain controls it all. So I'm going to draw a little PlayStation controller here. I'm going to try to. Boom. There's the cord. Those buttons up top. And then I think you got 4 buttons here. And then the double joysticks. A couple buttons here. So your brain controls everything. But your brain controls everything by sending information through your spinal cord and your nerves. And your spinal cord is just a big bundle of nerves. So right here, your nerves. Your nerves are the how. Nerves are how information travels in your brain. Your nerves are what allow you to feel. If you've ever been walking through the house without shoes on and you stepped on a Lego, I think we've all been there. Man, those things hurt. But you know they hurt. You feel it because you step on that and those nerves in your foot send a signal real fast all the way up to your brain for you to lift up your foot. Maybe you say a word like, wow, that hurt. That information travels through the nerves, up the spinal cord, and to your brain. Your nervous system controls it all.